Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a trend line on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView and go to the left sidebar and click on the second option. Okay, the second icon. If you can't see this one here, click on the arrow here and you will see it here at first, trend line. Click on it and I will add a trend line, for example, from here to here to here. So click on it once and click on it again here. You can extend it like this if you want. If you want to add an extended trend line, okay, some people want to use that. So choose this one. So choose the first point and you can extend it. As you can see, it extended automatically like this. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.